Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo fudge without white chocolate. Start by gently heating 1 cup heavy cream in a saucepan until it simmers, then pour it over 2 cups dark chocolate chips and let sit for 1 minute. Stir until glossy, add 1/2 cup butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then fold in 20 crushed Oreos. Press into a pan, chill until set, and slice into bite-sized squares. Warm the cream slowly and never let it boil to keep your fudge silky. After pouring over chocolate, let the mixture rest for 1 minute before stirring gently to ensure a smooth emulsion. Add butter and vanilla off the heat, then fold in crushed Oreos evenly so each bite has cookie crunch. Press the mixture into a lined pan, smooth the top with a spatula, and refrigerate until it is firm enough to slice. Try small tweaks to personalize your Oreo fudge without white chocolate. Sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top to cut sweetness and make the chocolate pop. For crunch, fold in 1/2 cup chopped nuts or mini chocolate chips before pressing into the pan. If you prefer deeper chocolate flavor, stir in a tablespoon of dark cocoa powder with the melted chocolate. Taste the mixture before chilling and adjust flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.